How to log in to my CRA account online. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to log in to my CRA account online. Now let's get right into the tutorial. CRA, or Canada Revenue Agency, is the government agency responsible for administering tax laws and collecting taxes and duties in Canada. So, to log in to your CRA account, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for www.canada.ca. You will then be required to select a language, so go ahead and select your preferred language and then you will be led to the official web page of CRA. On the top right of your screen, you will see the Sign In button now. Tap on that and further tap on the CRA My Account option. Scroll down and find the Using a CRA User ID and Password tab and further tap on the CRA Sign In button, or if you have not registered yet, you can also tap on the CRA Register button. I will tap on CRA Sign In. You will then be led to the login portal of CRA. So go ahead and enter your login credentials. That is your user ID and your password. Just in case, if you have forgotten your user ID or password, then you can tap on the Forgot Your User ID or Forgot Your Password option accordingly and recover your login credentials. Finally, tap on the Sign In button and with this you will be successfully signed in to CRA account online. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.